How to buy Trump coin on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. It is quite easy and there are two ways to do it. The easiest way is to open up your Binance account, then hover around your cursor on trade, then select this particular option of convert and block trade. Simply click on it. Then select the crypto of your choice that you want to convert to Trump coin. Suppose you have USDT. So simply select USDT over here, then at the bottom simply type Trump and then select it. After that you need to type the amount of USDT that you are looking to convert to Trump coin, and after that just simply click on preview conversion and then convert it, and this way you would be able to purchase Trump coin quite easily. And there is another way, and for that just simply click on this option of trade and then click on this option of spot, and this will open up the spot wallet. After that just simply accept the terms and conditions, and in case if you don't have the Trump USDT pair selected, simply click over here on the search, then simply search for Trump coin and then select either the USDT pair or USDC according to the crypto that you have in your wallet. And after that this is how it will open up. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you would be able to set the limit price or the market price. If you want to purchase on the current price, then that's the market price. If you want to purchase on a particular price, then simply select the option of limit price, then type the price at which you want to purchase the Trump, and this way you would be able to check out how much Trump you can purchase. And after that just simply click on this option of buy Trump and you would be able to purchase after your order hits on the limit order. And this is the order book, the current price and the orders are there, and this is how you would be able to purchase or buy Trump coin on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.